a groundbreaking international clinical trial has commenced, marking a significant shift in the approach to combating Alzheimer's disease. This innovative study, spearheaded by Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis, represents the first attempt to prevent Alzheimer's by intervening decades before symptoms typically appear. The trial targets individuals as young as 18, focusing on those who show minimal or no molecular changes associated with the disease in their brains. A revolutionary approach to prevention. The study, aptly named the Primary Prevention Trial, introduces a novel strategy in the fight against Alzheimer's disease. Rather than focusing on treating symptoms after they emerge, this research aims to prevent the disease's molecular foundation from ever taking hold. The trial employs remternetug, an investigational antibody developed by Eli Lilly and Company, designed to either remove or prevent the accumulation of amyloid beta plaques in the brain. The timing of this trial is particularly significant, coming after recent breakthroughs in Alzheimer's treatment. 2 amyloid-targeting medications have recently received FDA approval for treating mild cognitive impairment and early-stage dementia related to Alzheimer's. These successes have bolstered researchers' confidence in targeting amyloid beta as a preventive strategy. Understanding the target population. While the trial specifically enrolls members of families carrying genetic mutations that predispose them to early-onset Alzheimer's, its implications extend far beyond this group. These individuals typically face the onset of dementia symptoms in their 30s, 40s, or 50s, providing researchers with a unique opportunity to study the disease's progression and potential prevention strategies. The study emerges from the Dominantly Inherited Alzheimer Network, DIAN, Trials Unit, a clinical trials platform with an international reach. This network connects research institutions across North America, Australia, Europe, Asia, and South America, creating a comprehensive approach to studying familial Alzheimer's disease. Evolution of the trial. The trial's journey to its current form illustrates the dynamic nature of medical research. Initially announced in 2021 with a different investigational drug, gantenerumab, the study adapted when that compound showed insufficient promise. The selection of remternetug as the replacement drug was based on its demonstrated effectiveness in early trials with more common forms of Alzheimer's. Technical innovation. Remternetug offers several advantages over current treatments. Its administration via subcutaneous injection provides a less invasive alternative to traditional IV infusions. The quarterly dosing schedule also represents a significant improvement over the bi-weekly or monthly regimens required by FDA-approved treatments. These practical improvements could enhance patient compliance and quality of life if the treatment proves successful. Trial structure and scope. The study encompasses approximately 240 participants from families carrying mutations in one of 3 key genes associated with early-onset Alzheimer's. The inclusion of both mutation carriers and non-carriers provides valuable comparative data. Participants must be between 11 and 25 years younger than their family's typical age of symptom onset and show minimal signs of amyloid accumulation or cognitive decline. Financial support and collaboration. The trial represents a remarkable collaboration between academic institutions, government agencies, private industry, and philanthropic organizations. With more than $130 million in funding, including substantial grants from the National Institute on Aging and support from the Alzheimer's Association and GHR Foundation, the study demonstrates the scale of investment required for cutting-edge medical research, broader impact and future implications. While focused on a specific genetic form of Alzheimer's, the trial's findings could revolutionize our understanding of preventing all forms of the disease. The research team anticipates that insights gained could inform prevention strategies for the broader population at risk of Alzheimer's, potentially benefiting millions worldwide. Complementary research efforts. The Primary Prevention Trial runs parallel to other significant research initiatives, including the DNTU Tau NextGen trial. This complementary study focuses on individuals at or near the age of symptom onset, investigating combination therapies targeting both amyloid and tau proteins. Together, these trials represent a comprehensive approach to understanding and combating Alzheimer's at different stages. Looking forward. As the trial progresses over the next 4 to 5 years, researchers will primarily assess remternetug's effectiveness in preventing amyloid plaque accumulation. Additional measurements will track molecular indicators of Alzheimer's disease in blood and cerebrospinal fluid. While cognitive changes are not expected during the trial period due to the participants' young age, long-term follow-up studies will monitor potential cognitive effects. Global impact. The implications of this research extend far beyond the immediate study population. With projections indicating nearly 13 million Americans may have Alzheimer's disease by 2050, successful prevention strategies could dramatically impact global public health. The trial's innovative approach to preventing pathology before it begins could establish a new paradigm in neurodegenerative disease treatment. Community and support. The trial has garnered substantial community support, exemplified by contributions from more than 150 donors to the Night Alzheimer's Primary Prevention Challenge. This community engagement underscores the widespread recognition of Alzheimer's impact on families and society at large. Conclusion. The Primary Prevention Trial represents a bold step forward in Alzheimer's research, combining innovative medical science with unprecedented collaboration between research institutions, funding bodies, and affected families. As the trial progresses, it carries the hopes of millions affected by Alzheimer's disease, potentially opening new avenues for prevention and treatment of this devastating condition. The success of this trial could fundamentally change our approach to neurodegenerative diseases, shifting focus from treatment to prevention and offering hope for future generations.